So, I'm gonna get into today's moves and yesterday's moves. Didn't take any trades today or yesterday, just because yesterday I was going out with our brokers. So I just wanted to keep my head clear and enjoy the night. And then today was just sort of recovering. So yeah, a bit of a heavy one. But yeah, so yesterday pretty much had two bangers lined up, but well, not bangers, but well, yeah, two pretty decent trades lined up, but it wasn't in line with the setup. So previous daily highs and lows were not in play. So the first one on the S&P was here, where we've got sweep liquidity. Inverse fair value gap forms. We get a nice little break structure here, and then push up, and then this is a 1 minute. 1 minute fair value gap, price retraces at 7 o'clock New York time. Stop just below the inverse, targeting. This was a previous daily high here, and yeah, as you can see, price comes up, takes that during the AM session. That would have been 2 to 1. Nice trade there. And then yeah, so from there, what have we done? Traded up into this daily fair value gap here, reacted down off it, swept these lows. We've got equal lows here, to be fair, so we may see those get taken going a bit further into the week, or we'll just continue up. It just depends what's going on. What is happening here? What's the time? 2:30. Interesting. But yeah, so that's S&P, and then on the Nasdaq, this would have been absolute belter yesterday, to be honest, because of the fact that my bias was bullish. We had the other setup form on the S&P. I was feeling more bullish on Nasdaq, and yeah, it was sort of a similar thing. The setup was much shorter, so it would have been, instead of trading down sweep lows, I was just confident that this would be the fair value gap retracement. It's just fact, it's basically the same thing, inverse break, fair value gap formed, similar sort of spot, and I think it was a 1 minute entry, well, not an entry, but lined it up in a 1 minute. So I had to scan across quick. Right, so yeah, you can see we got a nice fair value gap form here, and then break, retest, entry long, target previous daily high, 0.92. That would have been a very, very quick 180 quid, I think, 187. Whoops. Yeah, so 8 units would be like 180 something. 186 for 2% within 2 minutes. So yeah, at least I know that works. And yeah, a bit of a bummer really. Missed out on that 300 plus quid, but I told myself I wasn't going to trade, so I didn't trade, just because of the fact we had Donald Trump speaking in at 9 PM UK time. So I wasn't sure how market's going to move, but realistically, looking back at it, there was no red folder, so that could have been a pretty valid option. But yeah, so I haven't actually been looking at the markets today at all. In terms of what we got, trade down, push up, above previous daily high. That's a break structure there. There's no inverse fair value gap here. As you can see, it's all wicked in, so it's not valid there. There's an order block here. This is actually looking like quite a nice setup, to be fair. Kind of liking this. But yeah, I think it's just because I'm looking at it now. The fact there's no inverse is kind of annoying. Nope. Yeah, I would, if there's a big inverse fair value gap here, I'd be looking at this retracement to go short, target lows, stop above the inverse. But yeah, I mean, it's one of those similar sort of action going on here. We've got displacement. I mean, to be fair, on NASDAQ, I might take this. So we got that there. Inverse on the 15. I'm going short. I'm going short now. Unless the risk to reward is trash. 1.3. Not really comfy with that, to be honest. No, I'm not going to take that. Never mind. Anyway, right. So, yeah, red forward for the rest of the week. So I'm probably not going to place any more trades. Take one trade this week, one loss. But obviously, I see what appears. Well, to be fair, this is looking quite nice, although this is kind of a break. I don't know. Trading up into this. Yeah, right, I'm going to leave it in, and yeah, I'll be back tomorrow.